Are you looking for the best mini drones? In this video we will look at some of the 9 best mini drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. TUDELLO RC Mini Drone. The TUDELLO RC Mini Drone is an affordable and user-friendly option for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. The compact size and foldable design make it easy to carry around and travel with. With features such as altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode, the drone ensures a smooth flight experience. Additionally, its 360-degree flip capability adds a fun and dynamic aspect to flying, while the LED lights make it safe for night flights. The relatively short flight time, 6 to 8 minutes, and limited control range, 30 to 50 meters, might not suit those looking for more advanced drones with longer battery life and extended range. Moreover, the lack of GPS functionalities or a high-quality camera may disappoint users interested in aerial photography or advanced navigation options. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is an ideal choice for hobbyists and professionals alike, as its lightweight and foldable design makes it easily portable and ready to go at a moment's notice. Its outstanding 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilizer ensures high-quality footage and crisp photos. With OcuSync 2.0 technology offering an impressive 10 km transmission range, and a variety of intelligent flight modes, the DJI Mini 2 provides versatility and reliable performance for capturing aerial shots in various settings. Although the DJI Mini 2 is loaded with great features, it lacks the obstacle avoidance sensors that many competitors offer, making flying in tight spaces riskier. Additionally, its small size and lightweight design might not fare as well in windy conditions compared to heavier drones with more powerful motors. Number 3. Loolinn Mini Drone. The Loolinn Mini Drone is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists alike, offering a perfect balance between performance and affordability. With its stable flight capabilities, user-friendly controls, and compact design, it's a great way to learn the basics of drone operation. Its 720p HD camera ensures that you can capture high-quality photos and videos during your flights. Moreover, the drone features various flight modes, including altitude hold and headless mode, which guarantee a fun, enjoyable, and hassle-free flying experience. However, the Loolinn Mini Drone might not be suitable for those seeking a more advanced and professional drone experience. Its shorter flight time and limited control range could be hindrances for users wanting to explore wider areas or tackle challenging flight scenarios. Also, with a 720p camera quality, it might not provide the high-resolution photography or videography some users are looking for. Number 4. DEERC D70 Mini Drone. The DEERC D70 Mini Drone is an ideal choice for those looking to get started with drone flying thanks to its simple controls, beginner-friendly features, and affordable price. The HD 1080p camera allows for high-quality aerial photography and videography, while its compact size and foldable design make it easy to carry and store. Moreover, this drone is packed with not only flight features such as altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff/landing, but also multiple speed modes catered to pilots of varying experience levels. Despite its many positive attributes, the DEERC D70 Mini Drone may not be suitable for more advanced drone pilots who seek longer flight times and extended range capabilities. Additionally, the drone may struggle to perform optimally in windy conditions due to its lightweight build, which can limit its use in certain outdoor environments. Lastly, those in search of a drone with more advanced camera features and settings might also consider other models. Number 5. INPORSA Mini Drone. The INPORSA Mini Drone is an excellent choice for beginners as well as experienced pilots due to its user-friendly controls and compact design. It offers multiple speed options, making it suitable for various skill levels. The device is equipped with a 720p HD camera that captures crystal-clear aerial photos and videos. Its 15 to 20-minute flight time and 200-meter range allow for ample exploration and entertainment. Moreover, the drone is foldable and easily portable, making it convenient for on-the-go adventures. Although the INPORSA Mini Drone has many great features, It might not be the best option for those seeking professional-level aerial photography or videography. The camera resolution is limited to 720p, and the drone may struggle in windy conditions. Additionally, the relatively low flight time and limited range may not satisfy experienced users with higher expectations for a drone's capabilities. Number 6. DJI Spark Mini Drone. The DJI Spark is an ideal choice for those seeking a small, easy-to-use drone that provides high-quality images and excellent flight performance. Its gesture control feature allows for seamless operation, while the tap fly and active track modes make capturing stunning aerial shots a breeze. With a range of intelligent flight modes and safety features, this drone delivers a fantastic, enjoyable flying experience for both beginners and experienced pilots. If you require 4K video recording or a longer flight time, the DJI Spark may not fit your needs. Additionally, its shorter transmission range compared to more advanced drones could limit your flying options in larger, more expansive areas. Price-wise, more budget-friendly alternatives may be available for those who prioritize cost over features. Number 7. DJI Mavic Mini Drone Quadcopter. The DJI Mavic Mini is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts due to its user-friendly design, exceptional flight time, and high-quality camera capabilities. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport, and it can capture stunning aerial footage with its 3-axis gimbal and 2.7K HD video camera. Its ability to fly up to 30 minutes on a single charge allows users to thoroughly enjoy their flying experience, while the GPS-based return-to-home feature ensures the drone's safety in case of signal loss or low battery. One possible drawback of the DJI Mavic Mini is that it lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as obstacle avoidance sensors and 4K video resolution. Additionally, the lightweight design, while advantageous for portability, may not perform as well in windy conditions compared to heavier drones. Finally, users who require a more robust platform for professional photography or advanced drone applications may find the Mavic Mini too basic for their needs. Number 8. SEAREFR Mini Drone. The SEAREFR Mini Drone offers a fantastic entry point for those new to the world of drones, featuring an easy-to-use setup and controls. The compact size of the drone makes it extremely portable, allowing users to take it wherever they go. Equipped with a 720p HD camera, it captures impressive footage for its size. Additionally, its affordable price point makes it an attractive option for individuals seeking to explore drone flying without making a substantial investment. While the SEAREFR Mini Drone is perfect for beginners, it may not satisfy the needs of experienced pilots looking for more advanced features and greater flight capabilities. Its limited flight time of 10 minutes and range of 70 meters can be restrictive for those wanting an extended flying experience. Furthermore, the 720p camera quality, though decent, might not meet the expectations of users who are seeking professional-level photography or video capabilities. Number 9. AVIALOGIC Mini Drone with Camera. The AVIALOGIC Mini Drone with Camera is an ideal choice for those just getting started with drone flying and photography. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easily portable and suitable for indoor or outdoor use. The 1080p HD camera captures clear and stable images, while the drone's easy-to-use controls and various flight modes allow even beginners to navigate with confidence. The affordable price tag makes it an excellent value compared to other drones with similar features. However, there are some downsides to the AVIALOGIC Mini Drone. Its limited flight time of up to 7 minutes may not be enough for those seeking extended aerial photography sessions, and the 100-meter control distance may be restrictive for more experienced pilots looking for greater range. Additionally, the drone may lack some advanced features found in higher-priced models, such as GPS and obstacle avoidance systems.